once again to a sandwich Saturday. We're going to do a chicken and bacon today. Let's take a look at the ingredients we've got here. So I've got some chicken, cooked breast chicken. I've cut it nice and small. Got some bacon there that I've cooked and again cut nice and small. Bit of onion, bit of tomato. I've got some cheddar cheese here, and just simply we're going to add a little bit of Worcester sauce. Really simply we're going to mix the whole lot together and get it into our bread. Okay, there is our chicken breast. Like I say, cooked and cut small. Onion, I'm using a white onion. Bacon. Tomato. That cheddar cheese. Grated. This is a fairly mild one. You could be changing this if you want. And then, like I say, a little splash or two of Worcester sauce. Or some of you guys in America call it Worcestershire sauce or something, but it's, you say Worcester. Simply gonna give that a mix, then it's done. Okay, so gonna make 2 sandwiches, so 4 slices of bread. As you can see, I've lightly buttered those 4, and as always tell you, these are the outsides. So let's flip these over and let's grab a nice handful of our mixture and press it in there. That's why I'm wearing the gloves, by the way. Get a nice big handful, get it in, press it down. I can get a bit more on there, a bit more here. Yeah, we're not being shy with the filling on this one. There's plenty in there. So we're going to take the other 2 pieces of bread, butter side up, give it a little press, butter side up, little press, and then we're going to get over to our sandwich maker. Okay, so it couldn't be easier. Let's grab one, get it on. Now I've got my grill here on maximum heat, that's how I like it, but they're all different, so check your one out. Let's pop that one on. We're going to close that down. I'm going to let it go for like 4 minutes. You know what we're looking for. See you then. Okay, let's jump in and take a look, shall we? Mamma mia! Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Let me get these onto... It's a bit stuck there. Let me get these onto the board. Cut them open. They look absolutely fabulous. Super crispy and golden. That little bit of butter's done its job. Piping hot. Let's get in there and crack one of these bad boys open. That is looking absolutely fabulous. Let's get the other one done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thousands of videos on our channel for you to check out. They are happening. I'm going to tuck right into those. See you later.